life, you always have a choice. Even if all your basic human rights were stripped from you, you still have the power to interpret your thoughts of the world around you. You could be locked up, beaten, or even tortured, but you always have the power to control how you feel. You always have the power to interpret the events that happen to you. But most of you aren't living in extreme situations like that, yet you still blame others for what's going on in your life. You're the one making the choice, but you act like someone is doing it. Maybe you do something wrong and say, "I'm just doing my job." But you don't have to do your job, you choose to. You never have to do anything, you choose to do it. People are always saying, "I have to." They say they have to go to school, they have to go to work. They feel like they have to do this and that. But I want you to understand something. You don't have to do anything you don't want to. Actually, you don't have to do anything at all. Right now, you could stop breathing. You could decide to quit your job. You could choose to drop out of school today. But you don't want to deal with the consequences. When people say they have to do something, they're avoiding taking responsibility for what happens because of their actions. You can choose to stop breathing, but you don't want to die. You could choose to quit your job, but you don't want to be broke. You could choose to drop out of school, but you don't want your parents to be disappointed in you. You could choose to stop being so nice to people you don't like, but you don't want to deal with the fights that might happen. You think you don't have a choice, but you always do. Even if someone has a gun to your head and tells you to do something, you still have a choice. You can still say no. You think other people can make you do something, but the truth is, no one can make you do anything. They can try to get you to do something by motivating you, threatening you, inspiring you, bribing you, or convincing you, but they can never choose for you. So, don't believe it when someone says they have to do something or you don't have any other options. You always have a choice. Even choosing not to choose is a choice. You decided to wait before making a decision. You can't escape making choices. You can only make them. And if you don't make your own choices, someone else will be happy to make them for you. If you learned something of value, I'd appreciate you leave a like and subscribe to Clyde, Vera. That is my name. Be the best, and fuck the rest.